Our bathroom renovation is moving right along, and it's finally time to get this space functional again. So today, I'm installing the vanity. I chose this gorgeous white and marble vanity from Lowe's, and it came all assembled and ready to go. I love when that happens. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach this base to the wall. Here are the supplies that you need for that. A tape measure, stud finder, pencil, level, and a drill. I'm drilling into tiles, so I picked up a carbide drill bit from Lowe's. I also picked up all-purpose screws because these work for tile too. So I have this vanity in the spot where I want it, and the next thing I'm going to do is see if there are any studs behind this wall. So I'm going to take my stud finder. We've got one stud right there. And another stud on this side. So we are all set, we don't need to use anchors. Using my carbide drill bit, I make a pilot hole through the vanity and into the tile. I then switch bits and screw it directly into the stud. On the other side, the steps are the same. I check that my vanity is level and we're ready to move on. Now, time to prep the sink. You'll need silicone adhesive, a caulk gun, and caulk for this part of the project. Now we're out in my kitchen where I have the vanity top propped up on 2 stools, but you could definitely use sawhorses. Really, you just want to elevate this so you're able to get under to install the faucet, the sink, the drain. Doing this all ahead of time is going to be way better than installing it in the bathroom where it's going to be really cramped. This is all ready to go. To secure the vanity top to the base, you'll need to add a thin bead of silicone adhesive. I then recruit my husband to help me lift the vanity top into place, and we make sure it's secured. I shimmy under the vanity to connect the water lines and the drain, and then add a thin bead of clear silicone along the edge of the vanity onto the tile. So I just turned the water supply light on, so let's see if it works. We have water! Our bathroom is starting to be more functional. And even better, this looks amazing. I love the marble with the black matte faucet. Absolute perfection. For more DIY projects, be sure to check out our blog, thediyplaybook.com.